it's gonna slide. There we go. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Red Rock Crawlers. Can you guys say hi?
Hi!
We are out in Moab this weekend, and we are just enjoying a little bit of family time on the trail. Today we're gonna take it kind of easy. We're gonna go out and do Porcupine Rim. I've actually never done this trail. It's escaped me, I guess, all these years. So this will be a first, and that's kind of fun. We're excited to go hit the trail. Let's get to it. We've only been on the trail for about 10 minutes and we're already getting some awesome scenery. Check this out here. It's snowing in Moab.
Why did I walk?
Oh man, look at these canyons. Hard to really show you, what we're looking at on a little GoPro. He's really trying not to scratch this thing up. It's brand new, so, I don't blame him.
It's lonely weather for a sleigh ride together with you. Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you.
Well, as you can tell, it started snowing on us. It's actually quite a nice contrast, seeing all this white stuff on the red rocks. I actually don't see that very often. Still dealing with the snow, and now the trail is getting more narrow. That is a long way down. All right, let's give this a shot here. Right there. Kind of a waterfall looking crack right here, and then it comes off the edge and goes off there. And luckily we
Mine got close.
we didn't go
That's
off
why
there.
We moved you guys way over.
Yeah.
Maybe a little driver. Yeah, you're right. There is one more exit. So
Okay.
we don't have to come back this way.
Good.
So that's good.
Oh man. Where that? Now into it. That's where I climbed, right there. There we go. Worst cameraman ever.
Wow, it's slippery.
Oh, so close.
Well, the good news is even if I slide, I won't go too far. I got trees over here that should catch us. Well, we made it to the end of the trail. Eventually.
Look at snow cone feet.
Yeah. These guys made snow cones. Thanks to Chris and Tori and Monet.
It's Dr. Pepper, so you're welcome.
Yeah, no nap on the way back, huh guys? So, okay.
Take 28.
So I promise, right there is about a 3,000 foot drop, but you can't really see it because, hey, you gotta stay over there. This is attempt number 2 here at wrapping this up. I just wanted to show you guys before my kid tried to fall off the cliff. Not really. He wasn't close, but I just didn't want him to go there. Right behind us there is a 3,000, I don't know, really big cliff. I'm not sure how big, but it's really big. Yeah, I really don't know how tall it really is, but anyway, you can't see much because of the snow and the clouds, unfortunately. It's a great view, I'm sure. We'll just have to imagine it, and we'll have to come back when there's not so much snow. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Everybody else say bye.
Bye. I'm cold.
All right, see you guys next time.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away.
All right, well, Aaron made it down. It's gonna slide in there no matter what. It's gonna slide. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.